Have your photos been deleted even from the recycle bin folder? And now you're thinking they are gone forever. Worry not. In this video, I'll show you how you can still recover accidentally deleted, lost, or even corrupted photos from your Windows computer in just a few clicks. Just click on the link in the description and download and install Photos Recovery Software by Sysqueak Software on your Windows computer. Once installed, you will see a list of drivers like C drive, D drive, etc. Select the drive where your photos were deleted. You will see two options, Quick Scan and Deep Scan. Quick Scan, fast and best for recently deleted photos. Deep Scan takes more time but finds older or deeply hidden deleted files. I will suggest you to select Deep Scan option. Click on Start Scan and let the software search for your deleted photos. It may take some time depending on your drive size. Once scanning is complete, you can preview the recovered photos. Select the ones you want. Simply click on Recover and save them to a different location or drive from the drive your files were deleted. And that's it. Your deleted memories are back. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips like this. Thanks for watching.